Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. This is Aslan Nasir with another video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a beautiful login system. So let's start. For the sake of saving time, I just faster the video a little bit. I'm going to use Wiser application. It's a web application. First of all, you need to close all the recently open projects, and then you need to start a new Android project. Select main activity, click on next. I'm going to change the name as login system. Select the minimum API 15 which supports 100% devices, and select empty activity and create main activity as a default activity and click on finish button. We will change the name of main activity later. For the first time, Gradle build takes much time. You need to be patient. Now you need to change the background. So I already have a background. Copy it and paste it in the drawable folder. I will also provide you this background and the other files in the description. Change the layout to linear layout, and also we are going to delete text view. Now I am going to change the background to the drawable folders background. Here it shows app bar, so we need to delete this app bar. Go to the values folder in the resource files, and in the styles.xml change the dot action bar to no action bar. Now it will remove the action bar at the top. Now here we can see a full screen. We can edit a login system inside the screen. So first of all, we need a logo. So first of all, we need a resource file. This resource file is used to make the border of our views, which we will use. Here we use a shape command, and giving a shape to a rectangle. Then we are using corners, so making the radius will make the corners a little bit beautiful. Giving it a height of 3 dp and width, giving it a color like gray color F7. It just looks like A7. Yes, it looks beautiful. Giving it a height of almost 1 dp. I think it's beautiful. Now taking a linear layout, and inside this linear layout we are going to make the logo, giving it a vertical orientation and using an image view to show the logo. And I already have the logo at my desktop. Give me the gravity at center, so we can show our logo at the center of the screen. Here I already have created the logo. Now paste it in the drawable folder. I will provide you the link of these files at the description, so you can access them. Giving it a margin to make it further beautiful. Now using a text view like login here, giving a text color and text size about 30 dp to make it looks visible. For the next part, now we are going to create our edit text and the image for the text emails and text passwords. So I'm going to create a linear layout. Sum command is used to giving a specific area to a view. So I'm giving these views specific area. Now I'm going to use IC email. You can use these icons. Again, for the passwords, the locks, we use lock. Here it is. Click on finish. Now making the color white, so it looks beautiful. It is also white. You can also change their width and height. Here, changing their background to these. We already have created this background, border.xml. And now making the background of image view to our image that we have created, IC email, and the width, giving it a layout weight 0.8. Why it is not showing? Because I have created the orientation vertical, so changing the orientation to horizontal will take effect. Yes, so it's not looking at the center. Changing the margin to padding will not taking no effect, so margin will be 10 sp. It looks beautiful. Now changing the hint type of pass, changing its hint type, enter email address, changing text colors, giving it a margin. I think without margin it looks good. Input type command is used so that whenever the user taps on edit text, it will show add sign at the keyboard. I will show you at the end when I will run this application on an emulator. Copy and paste the same linear layout, change their IDs and the text and the background icons. Now create another linear layout, making gravity right, so that we can use a forget password option at the right side, giving it an ID TV forget password, ID at plus ID. Text forget password, question mark. Text size 16 dp, make it look visible. Yes, it is at the right side. Giving it a little bit margin. Now we need a button. Giving it an ID. Changing the background color to giving a text color white. Background color essence, and the text to giving it a margin, and the text sign in, and the text size about 50, not I think 25, 20, 30 is good. Making another linear layout so that we can display an option to sign up here. So what we need here is to create a linear layout. Inside this linear layout we are going to use 2 more linear layouts so that we can display them. Taking the text to sign up, create 2 linear layouts inside this layout and giving them the weight about half, and paste the text view inside these linear layouts. 0.5 gravity at the right, and paste this text view inside both of these linear layout. Copy, paste it, changing the gravity to right. Text size about 14, I think it's good. Changing the text size, text color, to white, and another text color is sent. It looks beautiful. Giving it a ID because I am going to whenever a user clicks on it, so it will take the user to the sign up page. Now I think this looks beautiful. And now changing the gravity, I think we should run giving it a margin left 3 dp to make it a little visible. Now run our application. It takes some time. For the first time it takes some time, and here we are. Here is our application. So type email address, you can see the @ sign at the keyboard, and the .com button is also available. Here is a problem in the password is showing, so we need to change the input type of this password to text password. I think text password, yes. And making it a further beautiful, changing the width and height of the border, and minor changes to make the view beautiful. Again, the text size about 14 is 14 dp. Now run our application. There it is. It looks beautiful, nice. In the here we are going to type our email address, and the password is showing the dots. That's it for this video. Thanks guys. I will create another video for sign up purpose.